guys, Zach's Tutorials here. I hope you can see me okay. This is lesson 5, blues scales. So I'm gonna run through. Let's see, I have a little paper with them on here. So how many we're gonna run through? A, B, C. Okay, so I'll go through the A through the G blues scale. So we'll start with A. You're gonna go your high A. G, E, E flat, D, C, A. Next is your B blues scale. By the way, if it's a, let's say, a C blues scale, it starts with a C and ends with a C. If it's a G blues scale, it starts with a G and ends with a G. And it has notes in between. So if you see a scale...
Well, guess what? This is our house and we're not moving.
Okay, don't mind the noise there. There's my siblings bickering. So, yeah, if you see a scale, whatever note it starts with, that's what note scale it is. So, like a C minor scale, a minor is like a happy sound, and a minor is like a sad sound, and a major is a happy sound. Or that's what my dad says. He plays guitar, and major and minor, happy, sad. Same, you know. Alright, so B blues scale, you're going to do your high B. Do your A. F sharp. F. E. D. B. Next is your C blues scale. Starts with a C. B flat. G. G flat or F sharp. F. E flat. C. Next is your D blues scale. So it gets pretty high because you can't do the high G for the G blues scale, so you have to go down the octave and start back. So you're going to do your first palm key and your octave key for the high D. Or you can do it a different way. I'll show you that right after this. So you're going to do your high D. C. A. A flat or G sharp. G. F. D. And here's the other one. The lower octave. Next is your E blues scale. I'd prefer going with the middle E. So here's your E, your D, B, B flat, A, G, and then E. Next is your F blues scale. So it goes, you can do the middle F or you can do the high F. I prefer middle F. You do your F, E flat, C, B, B flat, G sharp or A flat, F. Next is the final normal note scale. It's your G blues scale. So you're going to go back to your G fingering. So if you do your A blues scale, you're going to do the same thing, but with the G. Here you go, your G, F, D, C sharp or D flat, C, B flat, G. That's my favorite scale so far. And that's basically it for the scales. But to kill time, I want to show you my soprano flute. I don't think I've showed that on the channel before. This is it right here. I'm really bad at it. Or this isn't mine, it's my sister's. But listen to this. They can hear it. Oh, I already watched this. I'm going to take a low start just by pressing the keys. Yep, that's pretty cool. And of course, I'll try to play something for you. And that's it. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.